looking at me. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, All Things GarageBand. I'm Jeremy Hawes. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to find the volume and tone, to change the tone or the volume to turn it up or down for your metronome on GarageBand for your iMac. Not the speed, but the volume and the tone of that metronome. Or you can change the sound altogether. Yeah, there's a couple of reasons you might want to learn to do this. And if you're doing anything besides just working with MIDI instruments and loops and stuff, if you're going to be doing any recording audio and like live drums and amps and guitars and bass and stuff, you might want to learn how to turn up the volume or turn down the volume of the metronome, and also how to change the tone, because if you're losing your hearing, your highs and lows, you might want to change the tone. It'll cut through some sounds better than others. So anyways, without further ado, let's get started. Woo! Alright guys, if you guys want to follow along, go ahead and click on your GarageBand icon. And I'll be using a new project to show you guys how to do this, with how to use a metronome, how to turn it up and down. We're not going to worry about any of this stuff here. We're just going to hit choose. And we're going to bypass this page. This is not important, but we'll hit create. Alright, so there is your metronome up here. You got your metronome, you've got the default volume that it's at. And this is, it's a good volume for like your default, for your volume for your like your MIDI instruments and stuff. That's all like, they all work well together. But when you're recording audio files like I do, and you got lots of drums and amps going on, it gets loud around you, you might have to turn that metronome up to hear it a little better. Or if you're losing your hearing, you might want to change the tone of it. It'll cut through your music a little better. That's what I like to use it for, the tone, to change the tone instead of turning it always up, just making it louder. It's always the best thing for your hearing. Anyway, so we're going to go up to, first off, let me play that first so you can hear the default volume. This is the volume that it's at always, you know. And so now we're going to go up to GarageBand, left click on GarageBand. And now we're going to go down to settings, left click on that. And we're going to go, now we've got this page, we're going to go over to metronome. All right, there's a tone and there's a volume. I'm going to hit play again so you can hear the metronome as I turn it up and down. You can hear that you can change the volume here. And then this is where you can change the tone. And this will cut through, depending on your highs and lows you're hearing, how good your hearing is, this will help cut through the music a little better too. You can change that up, okay? Very simple to do. So I hope it was helpful, guys. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, if you guys learned something. If you guys want to see more videos like this, anything to do with GarageBand, either on your iMac, your iPhone, or iPad, please check out my channel, All Things GarageBand. If you guys like any of the music you hear out through any of my videos, like at the beginning or the end, that's my band Hawes. You can check out my music channel if you like and you want to hear some more of that stuff at Jeremy Hawes. Or any music channel, you can look up my band Hawes. But anyways, I want to hear what you guys think. Leave some messages. You guys have an awesome day. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. That leaves it wide open. Woo! See you guys.